guys, welcome to another vlog, day of my life, whatever you want to call these. It is a nasty rainy day outside. I am about to run to Ulta really quick because I am out of my face powder. I did some laundry. I have quite a bit of cleaning that I have to do today. I need to clean my room, do a little bit of organizing. My kiddo is with his grandma today. Just give me a little break. Let me get some stuff done. So yeah, I'm gonna run to Ulta really quick. I will show you guys what I get because I'm sure I won't just get a face powder. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this vlog. Please do not mind all of the dust that I can see flying around in the freaking camera. I desperately need to clean my car. But really quickly, I went to Chipotle on the way home, so I'm gonna make this quick. But I'm actually really proud of myself. I went into Ulta. I only went in for one thing, but I only came out with 3 things, which for me is wonderful. So I'm just gonna show you what I got really quick. I got my powder. It's just the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder. I've been using this since I was in freaking middle school. I love it. I've been dying to try ColourPop Tinted Moisturizer. I literally cannot wait to try this. I've been dying to try it. So I'm super excited about this. And then I really love the Lano Lips lip waters. So I got a watermelon one. So yeah, that is what I got from Ulta. I am gonna go inside and eat and finish up my laundry, and then I'm gonna start cleaning because I need to clean my freaking room. Okay, so I was just browsing around on the internet and I decided to buy another skincare fridge. It's the same one that I had last time. By the way, you guys, you have got to get this strawberry overnight lip mask from 4th Ray Beauty. I'm obsessed with it. But anyways, So I bought another skincare fridge. I just like miss having all of my skincare items in a mini fridge. It feels so much better to do your skincare when your skincare products are cold. I don't know what it is, but I'm doing curbside pickup, so I am just waiting around for them to email me, letting me know that it's ready for pickup. I'm gonna go pick that up. I am eyeballing this, and I'm gonna be really honest with you guys. So this is the blueberry extract gently exfoliating fruit scrub from Bath and Body Works. It's new. I haven't even smelled it yet. Like, I'm gonna be really honest with you guys. But I got it because I am obsessed with anything blueberry scented, and I freaking love the blueberry kush scrub from Truly and the lotion. So when I saw this, I was like, I have to get it. I have to get it. Yeah, like, see, like, I haven't even peeled this off of it yet, but I just like keep eyeballing it and I want to smell it. Maybe instead of smelling this, we'll try the body butter, because that freaking plastic thing. Okay, this is a lot easier to get off. Oh my gosh. Oh my freaking gosh. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? I'm probably gonna film a shower talk with these products tonight because I really, really want to use this. But I also really want to use the Sunshine Mimosa. I don't know. But yeah, I need to film a shower talk desperately. I haven't filmed a shower talk in like 4 days. So I need to film one tonight. And I don't know if I want to do Sunshine Mimosa or the blueberry, because I just did a blueberry shower talk not that long ago. So I don't know. We'll see. I set up my mini fridge and like reorganized my vanity, and now, I'm sorry if you can hear my boyfriend in the background, he's playing Call of Duty. But I cleaned my room today. I didn't like fully deep clean it like I wanted to, but these allergies are really getting to me. I just feel like crap today. So I will save that for another day, but I did some organizing, I did some cleaning. I feel like I had a pretty productive day, especially for feeling like crap most of the day. But basically all I have left to do is finish my laundry, and I am going to take a shower. I'm gonna film a shower TikTok, and that will probably be the rest of my night. I'll probably just end up eating something and laying in bed watching Bad Girls Club. I'm like obsessed with Bad Girls Club right now. I've been like rewatching all the old seasons, so yeah, I'll probably just relax, watch Bad Girls Club, and until I fall asleep. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just end the vlog here, because I really don't have like anything else that I really feel like I need to put in it, or I don't really have anything else going on today. It's like 7:30. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you let me know in the comments what kinds of videos you want to see. Do you want to see like more vlogs, day in my lives? Do you want me to post like get ready with me's, more cleaning and organizing type of videos? Let me know what you guys want to see. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.